Current affairs for today. World Athletics Day 2021 is on 5th May, and second one, International No Diet Day on 6th May. And the International No Diet Day symbol is light blue ribbon, which is to promote a healthy lifestyle and to avoid body shaming and shape shaming and size shaming. Okay, to recognize your body as beautiful and accept as you as who you are. Okay, the first one, World Athletics Day 2021 5th May, and second one, International No Diet Day 6th May on 6th May. Okay, third one, longest pedestrian bridge opens in Portugal. The world's longest pedestrian bridge opens in Portugal, which is a suspension bridge which is of a half kilometer range and almost 1700 foot. Okay, and which is named Arauca. Okay, the name of this pedestrian bridge is Arauca by UNESCO's Arauca's World Geopark, and which is a metal walkway suspended from cables, which is near to the banks of Paiva River. And from this we have to know as the fourth one, Portugal President Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa. Okay, and fifth one, which is also related to the Portugal, capital of Portugal Lisbon, and currency of Portugal euro. Okay, and seventh one, Odisha government announced Gobabandhu Sampadika Sostya Bima Yojana. Gobabandhu Sampadika Sostya Bima Yojana, which is for journalists, and the Odisha government declared these journalists as frontline COVID warriors, and which also covers health insurance cover of 2 lakhs rupees and a financial assistance of 15 lakh rupees for the families of journalists who have died from COVID-19 and while they were performing their duty. Okay, so ninth one, seventh one, Odisha government announced Gobabandhu Sampadika Swasthya Bima Yojana, which is for journalists, and the government declared journalists as frontline COVID warriors, and this Gobabandhu Sampadika Swasthya Bima Yojana covers health insurance cover of 2 lakhs rupees, and they provide a financial assistance of 15 lakh rupees to the families of COVID 15 lakhs rupees to the families of journalists who are died from COVID-19 while performing their duty. Okay, and the eighth one, which is related to this Odisha government's Gobabandhu Sampadika Swasthya Bima Yojana, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik and Odisha Governor Ganeshi Lal. Okay, and the 10th one, Singer Pink Bags Icon Award at Billboard Music Awards BBMAs. Okay, so the Singer Pink Bags Icon Award at Billboard Music Awards BBMAs. To say about Icon Award, the aim of Icon Award is to recognize the artists who have achieved success on Billboard charts and also left an indelible impact on music. Okay, so the 11th one, Mahatma Gandhi's former personal secretary V. Kalyanam passed away. Okay, and he was Mahatma Gandhi's personal secretary from 1943 to 1948 till the time he was assassinated. Okay, and 1943 to 1948. Okay, and V. Kalyanam preserved letters written by Gandhiji and a check bearing sign of Gandhiji and other literatures, and he was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi and also associated with Rajaji in 1960s. This V. Kalyanam was proficient in Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Tamil and English. Okay, and the 12th one, new director of IIRR, Indian Institute of Rice Research, is R.M. Sundaran. Okay, a new director of IIRR, Indian Institute of Rice Research, is R.M. Sundaran. R.M. Sundaran, Raman Meenakshi Sundaram. Okay, Raman Meenakshi Sundaram. This IIRR, Indian Institute of Rice Research, is an arm of Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Okay, and he was a scientist and he was working in the area of rice biotechnologies, molecular breeding and genomics, and he published almost 166 research papers in national and international journals, and he published several books, and he had lots of popular articles. Okay, and his accomplishment is development of the first biotechnology product on rice. Okay, improved Samba Mausuri. Okay, and the main point here is new director of IIRR, Indian Institute of Rice Research, is R.M. Sundaran. Okay, R.M. Raman Meenakshi Sundaram. And the And the 13th one, nation's first drive-in vaccination center in Mumbai, inaugurated by MB Rahul Shivale. Nation's first drive-in vaccination center in Mumbai, inaugurated by MB Rahul Shivale. They set up this drive-in vaccination center in parking lot of Kohinoor Square Tower at Dadar. Kohinoor Square Tower at Dadar. Okay, and they providing transportation facility to the citizens, and also it already started and available for all the sectors of society. Okay. From here, the next points are capital of Maharashtra, Mumbai, and Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray. Okay, next one. Um, 16th one, Governor of Maharashtra, Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Okay, so this 14th point is nation's first drive-in vaccination center is started in Mumbai, which is inaugurated by MB Rahul Shivale, and which is set up in parking lot of Kohinoor Square Tower at Dadar. And the next main points are Maharashtra capital Mumbai, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, and Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Okay, and this 17th one, All India Chess Federation AICF launched Checkmate COVID initiative. Okay, All India Chess Federation AICF launched Checkmate COVID initiative, which is to help chess community affected by COVID pandemic, and which is inaugurated at an online event in the presence of FIDE World Chess Federation President Arkady Djokovic, and five-term world championship champion Vishwanathan Anand, and a world rapid chess champion Koneru Humphrey, and AICF President Sanjay Kapoor, and Secretary Bharat Singh Chauhan. Okay, this Checkmate COVID initiative, they provide not only financial aid, and they have a team of doctors work around the clock for all the time for right assistance to the chess community. Okay. So the main points here are All India Chess Federation AICF launched Checkmate COVID initiative, which provides financial aid and have a team of doctors work around the clock for right assistance to the COVID, the chess community affected by the pandemic. Okay, and the next point is five-time world chess champion is Vishwanathan Anand, and world rapid chess champion is Koneru Humphrey. Okay, and the next 20 point, RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das, and this news is for this RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das, which is because RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das announced COVID-19 healthcare package of Rs 50,000 crore for banks for banks. Okay. So Shaktikanta was announced the COVID-19 healthcare packages are 15,000 crore to banks. Okay, so we have to remember RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das. Okay, these are the main headlines of 6th May. Okay, for the current affairs. Okay, thank you.